This Cooksmark 10-piece ceramic nonstick cookware set is designed for modern kitchens that demand safety, versatility, and long-lasting performance. This all-in-one set combines high-quality ceramic coatings with professional-grade durability, making it an ideal choice for families, home cooks, and health-conscious individuals who want reliable cookware without harmful chemicals. Whether you are preparing everyday meals, hosting dinner parties, or experimenting with new recipes, this set provides all the tools necessary for efficient, healthy, and enjoyable cooking. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment point. One of the most notable aspects of this cookware set is its 100% non-toxic and eco-friendly ceramic coating. Free from PFOA, PTFE, lead, and cadmium, the Cooksmark set ensures that no harmful chemicals leach into your food during cooking. This not only allows for healthier meal preparation, but also aligns with eco-conscious practices, making it a responsible choice for families focused on long-term health and wellness. The FDA-compliant, food-grade safety standards further reinforce its reliability, allowing you to cook with confidence every day. The set includes a thoughtfully curated range of cookware designed to cover virtually all kitchen needs. It features 3 fry pans measuring 8 inches, 9.5 inches, and 10.5 inches, perfect for eggs, pancakes, searing meats, and sautéing vegetables. 2 saucepans with 1.4 quart and 2 quart capacities come with tempered glass lids, ideal for sauces, oatmeal, soups, or reheating meals. The 4.8 quart casserole dish is excellent for roasting, simmering, or preparing pasta dishes for the entire family. Every piece is designed with precision to maximize cooking efficiency while maintaining a clean, modern aesthetic in cream white that complements any kitchen decor. Cooksmark cookware is compatible with all stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and glass top ranges. The magnetic stainless steel base ensures even heat distribution across the entire surface, eliminating hot spots and providing consistent results every time. For additional versatility, the cookware is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to transition seamlessly from stovetop to oven for roasting, baking, or finishing dishes. This makes the set a versatile solution for a wide range of cooking techniques. The nonstick ceramic surface ensures effortless cooking and cleanup. Foods slide right off the pans without sticking, minimizing the need for oil and promoting healthier meals. Cleanup is equally simple, as the cookware is dishwasher safe and does not require special cleaners to maintain performance. The reinforced 3-layer ceramic coating is scratch-resistant, accommodating metal utensils without compromising the surface, ensuring your cookware looks and performs like new for years to come. Comfort and usability are central to the design. Cool touch handles provide a secure and comfortable grip, allowing you to maneuver pans safely during cooking without risk of burns. The tempered glass lids allow for convenient monitoring of your dishes while reducing splatter, helping keep your stovetop clean. The combination of ergonomic design and thoughtful features makes cooking safer, faster, and more enjoyable for anyone, whether an experienced chef or a beginner. This cookware set is ideal for anyone who wants a complete and reliable cooking solution that combines health, durability, and efficiency. It is especially suited for small to medium-sized families, health-conscious individuals, apartment dwellers, or anyone upgrading from older nonstick sets that may contain harmful chemicals. The Cooksmark 10-piece ceramic nonstick cookware set streamlines meal preparation, reduces kitchen clutter, and enhances both cooking performance and overall kitchen aesthetics. In addition to performance and safety, this cookware set offers exceptional value. The combination of fry pans, saucepans, and casserole dish covers nearly every cooking scenario, while the quality of materials ensures a long-lasting investment. The even heating, non-toxic ceramic coating, and thoughtful ergonomic features make this set stand out from other cookware in the same category. It allows users to cook confidently, reduce oil consumption, and enjoy effortless cleanup without sacrificing quality or style. From everyday breakfasts to elaborate dinners, this set provides versatility and reliability. The cookware's durable design accommodates heavy usage while maintaining its nonstick properties. The ergonomic handles and glass lids make cooking safer and more convenient, while the stylish cream white color adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Every detail has been designed with the modern home cook in mind, from induction compatibility to oven-safe construction, ensuring that it can handle a wide variety of cooking techniques with ease. Whether you are preparing scrambled eggs, pancakes, sautéed vegetables, hearty casseroles, or one-pot meals, this 10-piece cookware set covers all your needs. Its professional-grade ceramic coating, scratch-resistant surface, and heavy-gauge aluminum construction ensure fast, even heating, making every dish consistent and perfectly cooked. Its versatility, durability, and safety features make it a must-have for families, new homeowners, or anyone looking to enhance their cooking experience while prioritizing health. In conclusion, the Cooksmark 10-piece ceramic nonstick cookware set delivers a powerful combination of health-conscious design, superior performance, and practical features. It is a perfect solution for home cooks seeking a comprehensive, eco-friendly, and reliable cookware set. Its versatility, durability, and safety make it a standout choice in the world of ceramic cookware. With this set, you can confidently prepare healthier meals, reduce cleanup time, and enjoy cooking with a complete set that meets all your daily needs. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.